Want to write faster without sacrificing quality? Yeah. ChatGPT isn't just for answering questions, it can help you draft, edit, and polish text in record time. In this guide, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to speed up your writing workflow in 2026. Before writing, ask ChatGPT to create an outline. It can organize your ideas into headings, bullet points, or a step by step structure. Having a roadmap makes the writing process much faster. Use ChatGPT to write first drafts of paragraphs, articles, emails, or scripts. Don't worry about perfection. The goal is to get words on the page fast. If your content is long, split it into smaller prompts. Ask ChatGPT for one section at a time instead of everything in one message. This keeps responses clear and organized. To save time, request multiple options at once. For example, ask for 3 different openings for your article or 5 alternative email subject lines. Then pick the one you like best. Instead of editing manually, ask ChatGPT to refine, shorten, or simplify your text. You can even ask it to change tone, formal, casual, or persuasive. This saves tons of time. ChatGPT can also create examples, statistics, or subheadings to support your writing. This keeps your content organized and professional without extra research. One of the best productivity hacks is saving prompts you know work. Create a library for introductions, email drafts, social media posts, or blog outlines. Reusing prompts makes writing faster every time. And that's it. Start with an outline, generate drafts, use follow ups, and save your favorite prompts. With ChatGPT, you can write faster, smarter, and more efficiently every day.